Alright, so let me lower the volume. So recently they just hit my car. Yeah, you guys can tell. They cracked my tail light, but Chino's still over there. But yeah, as I was saying, I don't know, I think it was a truck. He hit me, so all the tabs from here broke. So this thing was like hanging down. I'll see if I have a picture. I'll put it right here. I don't know if I did, but if I do, I'll put it. So I just right now, my brother had tabs. I put some tabs on it, so it fits better. It sits more flush. And then right here, my tab, since the rust is right here, it rusted out, so I can't put a tab here. But I found a little thing right here, so I hooked the zip tie. It's pretty tight in that bitch, so it sits better now. So yeah, this is done. Let's go see what they're doing. This is Chino's TSS. Just says 2000. That one's turbo now. So what you doing to it now? You finished the axles in it? Finished the axles?
Axles, front end suspension is done. I was blocking out the water pipelines, heater hoses.
Oh yeah, right. What's up, you guys? So I almost forgot to not turn the camera on, but right now I'm just putting the what's it called, the gas gauge right there. I forgot what this it's called. It's one of these, the pressure gauge, yeah, for the gas. I'm putting that one on right now. Then I got the injector D Dynamics injectors. I think they're 1,500 cc. I'm not sure. I got these a while ago, but it's been a minute. I think it's I don't know. But I got this too. I'll put everything right here what I have. Got the fuel regulator. I also got the AEM fuel regulator right here. So this one, this little thing right here, is gonna go right here. Right here. It's gonna replace the stock one, and then this one's gonna go right here. Hope this does not bother it, because we're gonna have an issue, but it shouldn't. So then that goes right there. Should look nice. It's gonna fit in with more of my engine bay, you know. So I got this. Right now I'm just putting that on. So I'll show you guys how to do this. So you get it's an 11 or a 17 by 16, but I'm using the 17 by 16. So you do not tie this up all the way. Tighten it up a little bit, like until you feel like it's red, like tight enough. Just tighten it up. Keep tightening it up, you know. You know the vibes. I don't know if I'm loosening it, tightening it. No, I'm loosening it up. This be. You can, if you want it. Oh shit. If you want to, you can put Teflon on this. I don't have Teflon right now, so I'm hoping it doesn't leak. If it leaks, then I'll put some Teflon on it. Take it off and put some Teflon. So I think that should be good, to be honest. So it does not screw on all the way until you feel like it's good. So let me see. This is how it's gonna look right there. So let me go turn the ignition on my car and see what it is. Wherever I left my keys. It's pretty hot today. It's pretty humid. Oh fuck. Oh yeah, let's see what this mug does. So just flip the screen, get some fuel pressure going, and let's see what my thing is reading. Oh fuck. Hold on, redo that shit again. I don't know if it's working. Oh, it's working. Alright, it was working right now. It's reading 20 right now. Look, let me show you. And then it goes down. Perfect. So that means it's working. Let me turn the ignition off. But I'm gonna just tie it up a little bit more for more safety. And give it one more spin. Because I don't really trust myself with doing things correctly, so I'll double check them, you know. But let me do this on the quicks and then I'll show you guys what's up. Oh, alright. I already took the fuel regulator off. So what you gotta do is you get these. There's 210s right here. So you just take the 210s off right here. This is actually a Speed Factory Racing fuel rail, but for the stock one, it's technically the same process. You just take the 210s off, then you take this little line that goes right here and then connect it. You can take it off both sides, but then there's another hose right here, which is, I have this one hanging right here. So then it's just pretty much plug and play. You take this one off, put it on the new one, which is, this is my fuel regulator right here, it's AM. So now we get to install this. I think it comes with hardware. Let me see, I don't want to put this on the floor. Yeah, it does come with hardware. It comes with Allen key ones. Then this has like, it has no gasket, it just has like a little rubber piece right here. And then the AM actually provides that rubber piece right here too. So you just take this little rubber piece, put it in here, right here where the red. You take the red piece off though, but you take this off, then you put the little rubber piece in here. I can't even talk today. What the fuck? But yeah, let me get to install this, and I'll show you guys how it looks installed.